Sleep is a naturally recurring state of mind and body, characterized by altered consciousness, relatively inhibited sensory activity, and reduced muscle activity, and inhibition of nearly all voluntary muscles. Now, the question is, how much sleep do we need? According to Sleep Association of America, the amount of sleep each person needs depends on many factors, including age. Infants generally require about 16 hours a day, while teenagers need about 9 hours on average. For most adults, 7 to 8 hours a night appears to be best amount of sleep. Although some person may need as few as 5 hours or as many as 10 hours of sleep a day.
Women in first 3 months of pregnancy often need several more hours of sleep than usual. People tend to sleep more lightly and for shorter time spans as they get older, although they generally need about same amount of sleep as they needed in adulthood. What is sleep deprivation? Sleep deprivation is defined as not obtaining adequate total sleep. Insufficient sleep adversely affects how body functions. Experts say that if you feel drowsy during the day, even during boring activities, you have not had enough sleep. Why do we need sleep? To survive, to keep nervous system functioning, to keep us growing, dreaming and rapid eye movement sleep, sleep and circadian rhythms. How to fall asleep quickly. Lower the room temperature 15 to 20 degrees centigrade. Use 4 to 7 to 8 breathing method. Get on a schedule. Experience both daylight and darkness. Do not look at your clock. Avoid the naps during the day. Things not to do before you go to sleep. Don't use any kind of digital technology. Don't take sleeping pills unless you have been diagnosed with insomnia. Don't drink alcohol. Don't work in bed or anywhere in bedroom. Don't consume caffeine after 5 p.m. Don't eat fatty foods and don't exercise with foods.